It's got a low wall cloud in the on this right there.
Holy cow! What a circulation this thing is.
I think are you sure we need to rush east right now? It's moving really slow.
I just think we need to be ready.
I mean, I agree.
Probably not. I think we're gonna wait for it right here on this road. You know, and it's gonna cross sort of northwest. Get ready. Still back there, it might still be cranking. I think your road is going to be perfect, and I think it might even produce back there. Trying, isn't it? Yeah, we're going to have to go east and north. Yeah, it is. Wow. We gotta go east and north, don't we? Yeah. That's the RFD. Look at the RFD bulb. Big RFD bulb. Yeah. That occlusion's moved right over the airport. Still convective. That's probably going to produce, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, up here. The new cycle. Sure as hell is. Old cycle, occlusion back there, clear slot coming around. Yeah. Look at that circulation in the new one. Yeah. Ripping pretty good. Look at that. Hurricane flowing. Wow. Ow.